Ever felt stumped when a pneumatic control valve starts acting up? It could be a leaking actuator, a valve that fails to open or close, or perhaps it's just not responding the way it should. These are common issues that plague many, but fear not. For today, we delve into the realm of pneumatic control valve troubleshooting. First things first, safety is paramount. Always ensure the system is depressurized before proceeding with any troubleshooting. Disregarding this crucial step could lead to severe injuries or even fatal accidents. Now, onto the first step, identifying the problem. This involves observing the valve's behavior. Is it failing to open or close, or is it leaking? Maybe it's not responding correctly to control signals. Each symptom points to a different underlying issue. Should the valve fail to open or close, it's often due to a problem within the actuator. The actuator is responsible for moving the valve to its open or closed position, so any malfunction within it could prevent the valve from moving as it should. This could be due to a lack of air pressure, a broken spring, or a mechanical fault within the actuator. Next, if the actuator is leaking, it usually means there's a problem with the seals or diaphragm. The seals can wear out over time or may have been damaged during installation. The diaphragm, on the other hand, could have developed a tear or hole causing the leak. Then, if the valve isn't responding correctly to control signals, it's likely a problem with the positioner. The positioner is responsible for interpreting the control signal and adjusting the valve accordingly. It could be that the positioner is misaligned, or it may be faulty. Now, onto the second step, rectifying the problem. If the actuator is the issue, check the air supply, inspect the spring, and examine the mechanical parts. Replace any faulty components as needed. For a leaking actuator, replace the damaged seals or diaphragm. Remember, it's always a good idea to have spare parts on hand for such eventualities. If the positioner is the culprit, realign it or replace it if necessary. In conclusion, troubleshooting a pneumatic control valve involves identifying the issue, which could be the actuator, the seals or diaphragm, or the positioner, and then rectifying the problem by replacing or realigning the faulty component. Remember, safety first. Always depressurize the system before starting, and don't forget to keep spare parts on hand. With these steps in mind, you'll be well on your way to becoming a master troubleshooter. Thank you for joining us on this journey through pneumatic control valve troubleshooting. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and most importantly, stay safe.